What the? Crocs should sponsor me after this. Trout is on. I think it's a trout. Oh, I'm not sure if that's a trout. So we are here, and this is the entire airport. So Eva is here in Wyoming, and she is
look at all this
posing with alcohol. We are officially in Wyoming. The flight compared to Iceland was crazy. We were gone 2 hours, and that was it. It's about 55 degrees out right now. Got a little hoodie on, but it's beautiful, really. This state is already impressing me.
I'm wearing my shirt and my tutu. Is it cold?
So I am pretty tired. I barely slept. So Eva over here is going to give you a house tour.
Okay. Okay. So, oh, like this? Okay. So this is the top floor. This is me and Josiah's bedroom in the bathroom. And then this is where the babies are gonna sleep. Bathroom. I don't know what this is. Oh, locked. Okay. And then we got stairs. And we have this nice deck out here that leads to where everybody sleeps. And then, hi. And then this is the dining room table and the kitchen. And then the living room. Really pretty. Got this nice little, fireplace and fancy TV and like everything. And then we have this deck. Oh, hi! We have this beautiful deck. And this is the view. I know we're going to watch fireworks, not from here, because it's 4th of July, and I got a tutu. Anyway, so here's the living room. Enzo, come back here, everybody. Enzo! Here's the door. Yeah. And then you walk in. My parents. They have like this huge mudroom, which is like, bro, who has this many shoes? But, and then laundry. Oh, there's a sled. It's too bad it's not snowing.
So almost every place around here is private, so I'm not gonna be able to fish today. But this creek is so clear, I just wanted you to get a nice little view. Wait, it's letting us get so close. Hey. Hey. That's sick.
I'm wearing my shirt and my tutu. Is it cold?
So this right here is gonna be the view tonight for fireworks. And let me just say, I am so hyped to watch these fireworks. I'm hoping for a pack of pronghorn or something to come through here as we're going off. Be fine.
Hey, he won't catch us in time.
Yes, he will. They can cross 20 miles.
He'll catch you in time.
Dad, I just read bear facts.
This is Lewis River, here in smack dab in the middle of Yellowstone. Got a little spinner on here. Gonna try and see if we can catch some fish. Oh yeah.
Well, I'm slowing down.
He's still here. Right. He's still here.
Oh, I know, but you can't see him now. How would you like him to charge you? Okay.
It is the next morning here at the lodge, and we're about to go fishing. For real fishing. We're gonna go to the Snake River. I'm hoping for a ton of fish, but that's not realistic. Just catching 1 or 2 brown trout would be amazing. Rainbow trout would be cool, but really want to catch a brown today, so stay tuned. Water's pretty strong, not gonna lie. Whew. Crocs with no socks, baby. Crocs should sponsor me after this. It's like an eddy, like a calmer area right in here. That's where we're gonna fish. So this water is so clear and I can see a trout come up. He tried to nail it, but he missed it. So I'm gonna let this thing sink down to the bottom again. Just jerk it up.
This is Josiah serving. Yikes. Oh my Lanta. Yeah, that was definitely not on touch.
Yeah, it's yellow and I don't see him on there. Yeah, back up, Mama.
So, we're going to play tennis now, and we made a bet that if I win in tennis, then we have to go fishing tonight.
He's not gonna win.
And if I don't win, then I don't think
Swimming.
we're going swimming.
Maybe.
We're probably doing nothing, but hopefully there's fishing content. But if there's not, I lost. When you guys are watching this, keep in mind I've never played tennis ever, but fishing's on the line here, so I'm about to turn up. In. Okay, that's in. Ooh. Okay. All I gotta do is keep it in play. That's in. Bet. Oh yeah. No. Okay, bet for a set, game point. Oh dear, that was not good. Oh, how did I keep that in play? Okay. Out. Let's go. Deuce. What? Start on that side. Opposite. Okay. This is for first set. I need to get up. so I can have some room for mistakes. Ooh, okay. Nice point, baby. Nice point. That was out, but it's okay. We'll play it if she gets it. Let's go. Set 1 dub. 15-0, and she's trash talking me right now because I missed on a. Oh, look at that spin. Look at that spin, boy. What the? Okay. Deuces. Oh my. Second. Oh, that's in. Clutch. That's in. Yes. No, good return, Eva. Frick. Yay.
Oh, this is open.
Guys, I'm on the top of the world right now. Camera view doesn't quite do it justice, but we are so high up right now. Oh, there's snow over there. Pretty cool.
Why are you recording me munch?
Oh my gosh.
Rock. Throw. You know, now that I think about it, I hope it doesn't hit anybody.
So this is our last night here in the Teton Village. This place is fire. I would totally suggest going here. The amenities are great. There's tennis, there's pickleball, there's pool, there's hiking around it, there's tons of different restaurants. Everything you can really ask for. It's pretty pricey. I know now this is a big condo that we've rented, but I know that for 4 nights it's been a little over $4,000, so it's very pricey. But this place is amazing. The wildlife I've been seeing is right outside the door. I've seen more wildlife right outside my door than at Yellowstone, than anywhere else in Wyoming. This place is great. But tomorrow we're gonna go fishing. Hopefully I can finally catch a trout, because my dad's caught some, but I have not caught anything yet, which is a first. But you know, let the old man get one. But stay tuned. Our favorite deer is back again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is my last day. This is my 3rd and final day of fishing. We have got to catch a fish in Wyoming. First cast, go in it. Trout is on. I think it's a trout. Oh, I'm not sure if that's a trout, actually. I don't know what this is. It's a good fighting fish, though. Woo! Really good fighting fish. Just gotta get him to the bank. Oh, that's a good cutthroat. I believe that's what it is. This is a cutthroat trout right here. Dang. Yeah, that's a nice cutthroat. Come here. This is a nice cutthroat right here. A hard fighting fish. Will not give up. I haven't even really got my hands on it yet. No. No. This fish. Wow. What a beautiful fish right there. Got a beautiful sockeye. You can tell by the orange colorations right under the fins. Whew. Get this guy going. Just revved back up. There he goes. Beautiful. A solid 4 hours later, and I have caught no more trout. Had some follow it up, but these trout, they're tough to catch. They're tough to fool. Tried out this pond, nothing. So we're going back to our new cabin, and we'll see what happens next. Jackson Hole, Wyoming was amazing. I loved it. All the amenities there, everything about it. And look at this sunset right here. I mean, Wyoming is so beautiful. This has been a great time. Minus some mosquitoes. There's mosquitoes everywhere around me. But I loved it here. I'd love to come back. I've thought about even living here. I mean, this place is amazing. Being the last time I go off, or my last vacation before I go off to college, it was a great family experience. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So you guys should like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.